Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more information. This is our URL, which is https://youtube.com at my web university. At my web university is my YouTube channel, which is at my web university, and the website of YouTube, and it's a secure page YouTube, as you all know it. So in order to subscribe to our channel, you basically visit youtube.com, and at the search, you could type in the handle at my web university, or you could just type in the URL in a browser, https://youtube.com at my web university. It will redirect you to this page where my YouTube channel is. And then at that time, if you have not logged on already, it will just say log in. But if you're logged on, it will just have the subscribe button only if you have not already subscribed. If you have subscribed it already, then it will say subscribe. But if it is not subscribe, you have the subscribe button, you click on it. The subscribe button, just to inform you, is like a toggle button. Every time you click on it, if you have already subscribed, it will just open an unsubscribe button. So make sure that the channel that you're interested to be subscribed, and then don't want to unsubscribe it by accident. If you did it by accident, just click on subscribe and then make sure that you are showing you're subscribed afterward. So that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. Please visit our channel, and our channel, as you can see here, is this one, My Web University for Education Videos, and you're welcome to go there and then just watch all these videos. Okay, and then there's a lot of them, a variety of different topics with different classes, different video size, or time wise. Some of them are an hour, some of them are a minute, some of them are 4 hours. So you're welcome to just watch them. And then the kernel architecture or the database, there's a lot of courses. Windows, Linux, comparison of Windows, Linux, all of those ones are available for you, including security, cybersecurity stuff. There's a lot of courses that you will enjoy and learn from it. Take care. God bless you all. Thank you for watching again.